Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the prerequisites are in place: a mobile-first mindset, viewport meta tag, and a responsive-ready framework. Now, create a base style sheet and import the framework utilities. You should scaffold core components with flexible units like rem and percentages so they adapt. Once done, convert fixed widths to max width and widths in percent or clamp. Make sure to use container queries or utility classes from your framework to prepare components for automatic responsiveness as you build. You now implement the adaptive layout. Swap hard pixels for fluid units and set sensible min/max using clamp, so elements scale without breaking. Use CSS grid with autofill and min-max to let columns form automatically, and use Flexbox for inline component flow. Prefer container queries for component-level responsiveness so elements respond to their container instead of global breakpoints. Once configured, test resizing and ensure images. Use src set and object fit so visuals scale automatically with layout changes. You finish by optimizing media and polishing behaviors. Add responsive image sets, lazy load off-screen assets, and ensure fonts and icons scale with rem. Then audit across devices and use performance tools to catch layout shifts. If components still misalign, inspect for leftover fixed widths, incorrect flex basis, or container query scope errors, and adjust units to relative measurements. Finally, rerun tests. Make sure your framework utilities aren't overriding custom rules, so the automatic responsiveness you built works consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.